So lie down onto your back with your feet apart, hands apart, and let go for a moment. And let your stress level come down. Gently open your eyes, bend your knees about hip width apart, feet. Then open your knees, drop them as far as you can and close them. Do that for about 10 to 15 times, slowly, gently opening and closing. Slowly and gently opening and closing of the knees. About 10 to 15 times, then stop. Bend your right knee, hold with your hands and press the leg towards your chest. Only as much as you can without any stress, any strain or pain. And again, you can hold each asana for between 20 seconds to up to 1 minute. The longer you hold, the quicker the process to get healed. Release, change your leg. Release, and then see if you can do with both legs together, pressing both legs gently towards you. The more you can press, the better it will be, but if you can't press too much, it's also okay, no problem. Only press as much as it's comfortable in your body. Interlock your fingers if you can press. If you can't press too much, then you can keep holding with your hand and press your knees towards your chest. Make sure the hip remains on the ground, so hips not going up. Hip remains on the ground. Good. Release. Then join the sole of the feet together. And then press your elbows onto your knees and push your knees away from the body. And the feet are pulled towards your chest if possible. So these are only the action we are trying. We don't have to push all the way. The action to pull your feet towards your chest, the action to push your knees with your elbows away from the body. Good. Release. Now join the sole of the feet together and drop your knees out. Let them be out as far as they goes. And you can bring your hands over the top and relax. Again, 20 seconds to up to 1 minute. Good. Gently release. Push with your hands. Sit up. Then you want to join the sole of the feet together. And don't worry how far your knees are. As soon as you're touching the feet together, bring the hand forward. Stay there. Come back. Now hold your feet, keep your eyes closed, back straight, and wherever your knees are, wherever your feet are, don't worry, shake them. As soon as you don't press, don't push too much, you are not going to hurt, you're not going to do anything wrong. So simply enjoy the posture and become aware that how these postures are going to help improving your prostrate health. You can go ahead, stay in this position for as long as you want. Gently open your eyes. You can go ahead, keep sitting in this position for longer if you want. And you can repeat the same video for 2 to 3 times a day. Remember to keep your stomach empty whenever you are practicing this so that you don't feel any discomfort in your stomach area. This is where we stop this practice. Thank you very much for joining me, whoever joined me for this practice, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.